Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 apps that pays PayPal money. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. And give me a like. It's going to help out my channel. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into the method, guys, I just want to say thank you for getting me closer and closer to 6,000 subscribers. Because you know, once I reach it, I'm going to reward 2 people with some free money. So if you're new to this video, please direct your attention down to the description below and click on that link to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I got a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at the Google Play Store. So the app I pulled up, this is the first app. It's Swagbucks. Now, I have talked about this app before. It's a very popular app, been around for a while. It's one of the best apps you can download and make money from. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about the app. So you can get free gift cards and cash with this app. And their members have earned 470 million. They have surveys you can take, as you can see here. You can shop online and get 5% cash back. You can scan receipts and get $2 cash back. You can discover offers and you can receive bonuses, as you can see here. Now let's just scroll down here and just read a little bit more. So, make money and get paid free gift cards. So Swagbucks is the Play Store's most popular money-making app with over 10,000 free gift cards redeemed by our members every day. Redeem your Swagbucks rewards for PayPal cash or free gift cards at Amazon, Google Play, Target, Visa, Walmart, Starbucks, Uber, and more. And check this out, guys. Cash out your rewards for free gift cards starting at just $1. Or save up and make money with $250 PayPal deposits. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a good app. You can also take paid surveys, get paid that way, get cash for grocery receipts, as I mentioned earlier, easy cashback shopping with the Walmart, Amazon, Target, Walgreens, and much more. You can discover new products, and you can even watch videos and play games and earn points or Swagbucks that way and make money and get PayPal cash, guys. Now let's look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.0, which is excellent. Excellent, guys. And it has over 54,000 reviews on here. So a lot of people have gave their review on this app, and it averaged out to 4.0. So that's something, guys. Now, before I go to the next app, I just want to log into my Swagbucks account, just show you around right quick, and then I'm gonna go to the next app. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. As you can see, it's a lot going on in here. Direct your attention over here to the left side of the screen. As you can see here, this is where you click here to answer the surveys. You click here to shop so you can get cash back. They have in-store deals. You can discover new products, watch videos, you can search, and you can play games and make money. And right here, this is the gift cards where you can redeem your SB or Swagbucks for PayPal Cash or Amazon gift card. And they have a lot of other stuff, as you can see, guys. It's a lot going on in here, but this is one of the best apps out there. That's why I put this number one. All right, guys. So if you are ready to make some money with Swagbucks, go to swagbucks.com and go to Swagbucks in the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and download the app. Now let me go to the second app. Okay, guys, I'm at the second app, and the name of this app is Money App Cash Rewards app. Now this is another good app that's been around for a while that has made people some money. So it says here, make money every day with this app. It's the #1 rewards app. You get paid fast and you complete easy tasks and get paid and get cash. So this is how it works. So you're going to complete tasks to accumulate credit rewards. Then you're going to redeem those credits for PayPal money or cash via PayPal. And you're going to get paid this PayPal cash in 2 to 3 working days. That is fast, guys. Not that many apps out there that able to deliver you PayPal cash that fast. And let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.9. That is unheard of, guys. Only reviewed a couple other apps that had a 4.9. Everything else out there barely makes 4 stars. So you know this is a good app, guys. You know this is a good app. And if you want to come on here and read the reviews before you download this app, feel free to do that. But I'm telling you, you're not going to be disappointed with this app. So if you want to go ahead and download this app, guys, to get started, go to Money App in the App Store, or you can go to their website right here and download the Google Play Store. And also they'll tell you a little bit how it works too. All right, guys, that's all I'm gonna say about this app. Let me go ahead and go to the third and final app. Okay, I'm at the third and final app, and this app is different than the others. This is Lucktastic. So this app is kind of like a sweepstakes app, or it's kind of like a lotto app. So you're going to be able to win money every day. So it says here, Lucktastic, play, win, redeem. You'll click right here to download the app. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to crack the code so you can win up to $1 million. Now, they only do that once in a while. That's not every day. That's not every day. So your choice to win $1 million, 3 finalists will be selected. Each will win $5,000 guaranteed from the 3 finalists. 1 grand prize finalist will be selected to crack the code and have a chance to win $1 million. Okay, you can also win a trip to Universal Orlando Resort. And you'll be able to win enough money to pay your bills, guys. Lucktastic is giving away $1,500 to help you with whatever bills you want. How about that, guys? You can enter Lucktastic's Life Living Contest for your chance to win up to $25,000 cash. And they also have a Lucky Trivia Live. And here are some of the winners. You know, this is not a fake app, guys. This is not a scam or anything. You can win some money on this app. As you can see here, the winners right here. And these are recent winners. And so also you can play for real rewards. So earn tokens as you play and save them up to be redeemed for gift cards from 30 major different retails. As you can see here, Domino's, Amazon, Walmart, Bed Bath & Beyond, Dunkin' Donuts, JCPenney. And to let you know again that this is a legit app, this has been seen on Discovery Channel, Yahoo, and other major networks, guys. I'm telling you, this is an app you need to check out. So guys, to start making money from this app, just go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download Lucktastic. Or you can go to the website. It's called lucktastic.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these apps. And please share this all around the internet because I want to help everybody. Yes, everybody, to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. Let me tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus is type this number that's going to pop on the screen right now. Type it down in the comments below. Reason being, it's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money. So type that down in the comments below. This number is really going to help you get this free money, guys. All right. Thanks again. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.